Hey, so I'm going to walk you through how I introduce the dogs to the shower. So what I have here is the shower spray that you use. Okay, you see how it comes out? And I'm going to bring out Poppy and we're going to go through her routine of giving her a bath. Now this comes off of the hose, this attaches to a hose. However, this type of shower head is no different than the one you use in your shower. So a lot of dogs, when you turn it on, you start spraying them, they start freaking out. So I get a lot of requests where people want to know how do you give them a bath without them freaking out. So I'm going to walk you through how I do this with Poppy. You can see her reaction. I'm going to have her on a slip leash. Even when you're in the house, I use a slip leash even in the actual shower, so I can hold the dog there. They can't run off, okay? That's the big thing. Then, once they get better with it, you probably won't need a leash. But in the beginning, yes, you need a leash so you can hold them in place. Plus, that way I can take the collars off so the collar doesn't get all wet and nasty. So I'm gonna go through the process. I'm gonna set up the camera here, and so you can kind of watch what we do. Let's see if we can do it this way, or I guess we'll go this way because I got a truck over there. Okay, we'll kind of, go that route. All right. Good girl. That's me. Good girl. Okay. Ready? Good. So, good girl, baby. First things first, I have to get her wet. Okay? So, taking the hose, I don't get her at a distance and hose her down. I actually put this right on the fur. Okay? I always start at the back end and work my way to the front. Come here. There she is, right there. I start slow. So as I'm starting to turn the water on, I'm letting it dribble out. Okay, I don't just flip it on. I turn it very slowly as it just slowly comes out. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. There we go. Very good. How's that? Okay, so you can kind of see. Hang on, let me bring her out a little bit. There we go. Good girl. Not this way. There she is. Good girl. Right there. Gotta get that tail. Good. Whoops. A little bit tougher there. Try to get under the belly. There we go. Okay, right here. Good girl. Right here. All right. Now I put the shampoo on. Good girl. What's that? And I start with the one hand. And I got one of these little brushes, these little gloves, so that I can just rub it in. Rub it in. There we go. In that tail. Oh, good girl. These things work amazing. I love these things. Rub that belly. What a good girl. There we go. Very good girl. Very good girl. Yes. Get that tail again. Very good. That belly. Good. Take that off. Yes, I know. All right. Okay. Right here, right here. Good girls, right there. Good girl. Okay, so same thing. When it comes to hosing her off, I'm not going to do this at a distance. I'm going to put it right on the skin and then turn it on and then go down. Just like that. Very good girl. Very good girl. Here we go. Try to get another angle. Easy. Yeah, easy. Good girl. Good girl. You see, just rubbing it right along. Okay. Very good. Very good girl. Hold down the leg. Good girl. You got it. Underneath your chin. Very good, baby girl. There we go. Very nice. Oh, let it over there. Good girl. I know. You got it. You got it, baby. You got it. Very good, honey. Very good girl. In the bottle. In your gloves off. Good girl. You're right. Good girl. I'll let her come up here and shake it off. Good girl. Good girl. That is it. I hope that helps you.